Today I welcome you for my next class, that is gear shifting mechanism. Last period we have studied constant mesh gearbox and synchronous gearbox. In that gears, to positioning the gears, different gears for different gear ratios, or to get a different speeds or torque, we are using gear shift mechanism. That gear shift mechanism consists of gear shift lever, selector rod, fork, sleeve, and there is a locking system, internal locking system. Spring loaded balls are used to lock the selector rod to avoid the free sliding or free movement of the fork. If locking is not there, at a time two forks or three forks are sliding, and there is a chance double gear engagement takes place. Because of double gear engagement, jerk takes place, or there is a chance the gear T is going to damage. To avoid that problem, we are having internal locking system in the selector assembly. We are having number of selector rods and number of forks are there. There is a fork for one sleeve that is used to slide forward and backward to engage two gears. Maximum two gears are engaged with the help of one sleeve. Sometimes that sleeve is attached to the gear, or sleeve is mounted on the hub of the main shaft, clutch hub, and slides towards the dog tails of the gear wheel and meshes with it to engage the gear, or to get one gear position, neutral, first gear, second gear, third gear, or reverse gear. To get that engagement, we slide the sleeve towards the gear wheel dog tails and meshes with it, then that gear position will be obtained. Here, the spring-loaded balls, which are locked in the groove of this electrode. There is a small groove. In that groove, that ball will be slightly inserted, which avoid free movement of this selector rod forward and backward in the cover of the gearbox. The gearbox cover is screwed to the casing of the gearbox, where gears are covered. Here, that spring-loaded ball, which is continuously keep the pressure, for slight pressure of hand over the shift lever, what happened? The spring going to compress and it come over the selector rod and rolls over the selector rod. It does not create too much friction over the selector rod because it is a ball. There is the ball. It is rolls very easily. That's why gear shifting becomes easier. But once it comes and sits in the groove, it locks in the selector rod. It holds the selector rod in position. Thank you.